Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to unbox a soft toy which is a teddy which I bought from Flipkart for rupees 288. On the Flipkart listing it was mentioned as 3 feet about 90.2 centimeters teddy bear. So I have received the teddy bear in this packaging. So let's unbox it and see. So our teddy has been vacuum packed like this. So let's open this package as well. So here is our teddy. It will take some time to expand as it was vacuum packed. Teddy is very soft and I have measured the size of this. It is around 80 centimeters. On listing it was somewhere 90 centimeters mentioned. So here you can see very good material cotton has been inserted in this teddy. So this is in pink color. There are various other options, color variants available on Flipkart as well. So here are few shots of teddy bear shot in various angles with which you can have an idea how exactly the teddy bear looks. So if you also want to purchase like this type of teddy, then I have mentioned the link in the description. You can directly go there and make your purchase. So that's it for today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.